This image is known as the cosmic bullet. Look closely at the lower left of the bubble, where there is a bright line piercing through the darkness. It is about 13 light-years long, and the source of this trail is a dense, rapidly rotating pulsar ahead. At this moment, it is charging toward distant deep space at an extremely exaggerated speed. In the Milky Way, the vast majority of celestial bodies orbit in an orderly manner. The orbital speed of the solar system is about 220 kilometers per second, and from our position, completing one full orbit around the Milky Way takes roughly 250 million years. In fact, most objects in the Milky Way follow a fixed order. Although their individual directions differ, the overall direction of motion is the same. Of course, there are a few exceptions. They are hypervelocity stars capable of escaping the gravitational control of the Milky Way, including the pulsar J1002, a pulsar known as the cosmic bullet. It is called this because long ago, a supernova explosion occurred at the center of a bubble nebula, 53 light-years behind it. It is possible that asymmetric thrust generated during the explosion caused the newly formed pulsar core to be launched like a cannonball by the impact force. Unbelievably, this destructive kinetic energy endowed it with an astonishing speed of 4.02 million kilometers per hour. At such a speed, traveling from Earth to the Moon would take only about 6 minutes, and escaping the Milky Way is merely a matter of time. Interestingly, if your perspective could follow the pulsar, you would see the violent shock waves generated by its high-speed motion. These shock waves continuously compress and heat the interstellar medium, dragging a long, scorched trail behind it. One unpredictable situation is that although stars within the Milky Way are sparsely distributed, individual celestial bodies or wandering dark planets still have a certain probability of being affected by the passage of this pulsar. In such cases, at the least, their orbits may become chaotic. If a planet happens to be swept by the radiation beam, then if it has an atmosphere, it may be severely damaged in a short period of time. No known form of life can survive under such conditions.